bàbá olóyin Sẹ̀san Adéwùsì táwọn tọ́lọ́run gbogbo ènìyàn tó bá fẹ́ ròyìn òkìdí ọ̀dọ̀ Sẹ̀san Adéwùsì.
Good day, Fias. Happy Christmas and Happy New Year in advance. Here you meet me again, Mr. Sẹ̀san Adéwùsì táwọn tọ́lọ́run bàbá olóyin gan, bàbá olóyin original. I am staying at Iyesiota, bàbá olóyin bus stop, bàbá olóyin bus stop, Iyesiota. I am not bàbá olóyin Ìjẹ̀bú because somebody is claiming to be bàbá olóyin Ìjẹ̀bú. He loaded my photos, all my pictures on YouTube, and he loaded all my pictures on his own fake book account. He's claiming to be bàbá olóyin original Ìjẹ̀bú. He opened an account with one bank. He's using two accounts with that bank. I've written letter to that bank. If they don't take any action, you probably will bear me as witness. Because I've written letter to them that man is a scammer. All the things he have been loading on Facebook, I posted it to the bank. So when things burst, everybody will bear me as a witness. So Happy New Year to you. I'm bàbá olóyin original. I'm still at Iyesiota. I am selling books. I'm selling honey. You see, if you watch the title of this program, I said how you can know a witch or how you can know a wizard in your area. Some people, they used to ask, how can I know witches and wizards? How can I know? So that I will be very careful with them. One Afa came to me about 2 weeks ago. Then he asked me, Baba, how can somebody identify a witch or wizard? So I was just laughing at him. I said, you want to know a witch? He said, yes. You want to know a wizard? I said, yes. I said, you yourself, you are a wizard. You are a wizard. If you decide to know witches and wizards, you will not sleep again. You will not enjoy your sleep again. Because when you know that one of your children, 2 of your children are witches, no more rest of mind for you. If your children happen to know that you are a wizard, they are in problem also. So what individual just needs is to protect themselves. Because when you do this or you do something that you will be seeing bad things, you see, when you say a witch, you know, when you say a wizard, you know, you are giving yourself a headache. You will not rest again. When you are walking on the road, you see a woman that carry a child upside down, and you are talking, see this woman carrying a baby upside down, and you see a man that's supposed to be walking on ground is using head to be walking. You say, hey, see this man. People will think you are sick. They will say you have mental problem, and they can carry you to a mental hospital. If you continue to say this one is walking with head instead of leg, you see another one, you talk like that, people will carry the person to a mental hospital. They will say it's having scope, the man is sick. Do you know that if you say somebody is your enemy, you yourself, you are an enemy to another person. Ọ̀rẹ́ mi ni. Ọ̀tá mi, ọ̀rẹ́ mi ni. A friend to my enemy is my enemy. A enemy to my enemy is my friend. See the word. So what individual just needs to protect yourself so that witches and wizards will not able to do you harm. When you are calling everybody a wizard, you are calling everybody witches and wizards, you are looking for witches and wizards, and you are suspecting people, you will not have a deep sleep again. Because you will be suspecting everybody. So that is what I decide to tell people today. If a Muslim, hold your Quran, always pray. If a Christian, hold your Bible very well and be prayerful to God. If you are Babalawo or Onifa, don't forget to do your sacrifice as you know how to do it. But if you are looking for witches and wizards, you will be giving yourself headache. You won't have a nice sleep again. So that is that about that one. But for you those who are my lovers, if you want to protect yourself against witches and wizards, in which you yourself may be a witch, in which you yourself can be a wizard. Ajẹ́ni yín sà, ajẹ́ni yín mọ̀, ajẹ́ni mí sà. You see, it depends on how you take care of yourself. When you have a spiritual power, people try you, they are unable to kill you, they will call you a wizard. If you're a woman, you are prayerful, or you know how to add one or two things together, you are using. People want to kill you, they are able to kill you. They can call you a witch. Oroko nínú ìwé cover. Next time when I come on here on this program again, don't forget you are watching Kenny Show. This is Kenny Show Television. I thank those of you that are giving me money. Even for this Christmas, some people, they send money to me. They send donation to me. Yes, I thank God. I thank you people. Some people are still promising me money for New Year. Yes, I thank you. And those of you that bought my new book, in fact, you people surprised me. Some people, they paid in advance before this book was released. And when the book was released, we called them, the book has been released. Do you want to collect it on WhatsApp or email? They said that money they gave me. They said the new book, I should send the account number. And those who have the account number with them, they just paid another money. I thank you. I always thank you people. You are the one keeping me in this business. Who am I? I'm very grateful. This book, African Power, is released to the market now. You can get it on your WhatsApp, email, or Gmail. Don't forget the other books I'm selling. Only as a medicine. Only as a medicine. If somebody gets hypertension, diabetes, rheumatism, to remove hatred in your body, you can get it inside this book. Only as a medicine. This is Agbára Ìwòsàn Oyin, Healing Power of Honey. This one started with Yoruba, but when you scroll down, when you scroll forward, you will see the English version, Healing Power of Honey. Those of you who want to buy the books, you can get my books online. All these books, including this one, you can get it on your WhatsApp, email, or Gmail. You are not in Nigeria, that is not a barrier. You are in South Africa, you are in America, you are in London, Japan, Canada. You can get this book online. Yes, all the books are on PDF. They can send the books to you anywhere in the world. Yes. Don't forget, if you want to buy my products in Nigeria, you can come to Baba Oloyin bus stop, Yesiota. I get address. People can see me. But for that boy who's claiming to be Baba Oloyin original, he doesn't get any address. He only uses bank account to defraud people, claiming to be Baba Oloyin original. But anytime I know if human being cannot arrest him, God will arrest him. And when he eventually arrested, I will tell you people on the air again. Because when we enter New Year, God is do his wonder. He will save me from that boy. By the special grace of God, I know. Yes, somebody is claiming he's running a motherless baby home. Motherless baby home. He used my profile, telling people to donate. Some people have donated before I saw that post. I'm not running any motherless home. I'm not running it. It is that Bitrus Ebola that is running it. Yes, he was arrested about 4 years ago. They saw woman hairs in this freezer. Some people were shouting, hey, Baba Oloyin original was arrested. But when they came to my house, they saw me. I was around that time. It was later we detected that it is this Bitrus Ebola that was arrested by police that time. Yes. Some people just came to my house. Hey, Baba Oloyin, we heard they arrested you. I said, which paper carried? Nothing. I'm around, bail and Nazi. I put it on Facebook that Baba Oloyin original is at Yesi. Nothing happened to me. But this boy just decided to tarnish my image. And God will punish him. It's Yusuf Bitrus Ebola. He's claiming Baba Oloyin original. I registered Baba Oloyin original since 2006, about 14 years ago. So this boy, anytime he commit offense, they will say, Baba Oloyin original, they have arrested him. Nobody arrested me. I'm always in my house at Yesiota. But this boy is claiming Baba Oloyin original. Anytime he commit offense, people will say it is Baba Oloyin original. So I am Baba Oloyin original Yesiota. I get branch offices. You can go to Alokolaro Street, number 4, Alokolaro Street Mission, to buy my products. You can go to Surulere, number 5C, Akerele Street Extension, opposite Power Holding, Akerele Surulere. At Bariga, you can go to Ilaje Road, number 36, Ilaje Road, Bariga. Number 36, Ilaje Road, Bariga. I'm there. You can. My agent is there. House of Big Mami there. At Ikoto Egbe, house of Mrs. Taiwo Yamubo. Number 2, Femi Osobu Street, Oja Agodo Egbe. When you reach Ele bus stop, Egbe, enter Maruwa to Agodo. House of number 2, Femi Osobu Street, Agodo Market. We are there. If around Oshodi, you can go to BS Media Services Office. BS Media. Number 6, Everett Way. Number 6, Everett Way. Alasia bus stop. Alasia Oshodi. For Baba Oloyin Pastor Yesiota, you can see me there. You can see me there. This Yusuf Baitwa Sebolala, people should be careful with him. He's on Facebook claiming to be Baba Oloyin original. He loaded all my pictures, all my photos on YouTube. He loaded to his Facebook page. I reported to Facebook. They have never done anything about it. And Facebook, I think they are watching this program as well. Please help me. Save me. Help me block this boy. Help me block him. He's using 2 accounts with a certain bank at Oniru in Lagos Island. Yes, I've written letter to that bank. I've written 2 letters to that bank, 2 courier service. So there's no excuse that they don't see my letter. When you want to pay to him, he have different accounts. He can send it to you. This is the bank. He will use different names to collect money. But for that bank, where he's using Baba Oloyin original, he's using 2 accounts there with my information and research now. So when I write letter to EFCC or Central Bank, they will help me to find out the boy. But when people pay to him, he would like to collect the money. And they will catch him. Ọlọ́run ẹni tẹ́ a lè mọ Ọlọ́run láǹfààní lọ́wọ́. I forwarded him over to God. And by January, when I come back on YouTube, I will tell you the boy has been arrested. So don't forget my phone number. This is the number. Just WhatsApp me on this number. Send your WhatsApp, because I cannot handle the other channel and this one and receive calls at the same time. This is the phone number for this one. 081 08 431 336. You will see it at the bottom of this video. WhatsApp only. Please, WhatsApp only. And before I go again, I still want to thank those of you that are giving me money. I cannot do without thanking you. God will bless you. This new year, you will see wonders of God. God will bless and enrich your purse. I thank you. And those of you that you are patronizing me. Before this book was released in October, many people have been paying in advance. Yes. And when it is eventually out now, people are still buying. People are still buying. Especially those people that are not in Nigeria. They are buying online copies. They are buying online copies. I release book once in 5 years. I don't release every month. I don't release every year. I release every five years. In this book, you can see penis enlargement. You can see breast enlargement there. Yes. How you can, your luck will shine, your luck will find you. It is orange trees normally stay inside bush. It is human being that search for it, labor themselves to find it. Your luck will shine, they will find you. Some people that are being appointed as commissioners, ministers, ambassadors, some of them, they don't belong to any political party, but they just remember them and pick them to come and hold a post. People will look for you for good things. No matter how tight it is, a brooding fowl that is on incubating period must reach incubating center, no matter how tight it is. Yes, it is in this book. How you can use empty excess. The orange piece, when you drink orange, you normally throw the piece away. You won't throw it away again if you know that you can use it for your luck to shine. People will find you, your luck will shine. Just remember, it is in this African Power book. African Power. And don't forget, I'm the publisher of this book. Ọ̀nà Àbáyọ, Solution to Woman Problems. Solution to Woman Being Problem. Some people, they are calling me, they want to buy solution to woman problem. It's not woman, but solution to human beings problems. You have a male child, then you need a female child. How you can do it? It determines the way you come down from your wife when you have connection. Yes, that will determine the sex of the baby you want to born. It is simple. It is in this book. Agbára Ọ̀nà Àbáyọ fún ìṣòro ẹ̀dá, Solution to Woman Problems. Don't forget, this book is still in the market. African Power just released. So don't forget my telephone number again, 08108431336. Just WhatsApp this number. I will reply you. Till next time when you meet me again, remain blessed.
Bàbá Olóyin Sẹ̀san Adéwùsì tá ń tọ́lọ́run gbogbo ènìyàn tó bá fẹ́ ròyìn òkìkí ọ̀dọ̀.